On May 20th, 2018, Transport for London opens their newest branch of the TfL rail service from London Paddington to Heathrow Airport. This service takes over from the Heathrow Connect and will eventually form a part of the Elizabeth line once it comes into service next year. At the moment, the line is served by 5 Class 360 trains, transferred from the Heathrow Connect, but this will soon be replaced by the Class 345 Aventra trains once signalling works on the line have been completed. At the moment, people will be familiar with the current London Underground map showing TfL rail services from Liverpool Street to Shenfields. The new May 2018 map, however, now includes the new routes from Paddington to Heathrow, with all GWR stations along the way now being visible. A small bit of trivia for you too. This also means that this is the first time all 5 Acton stations are now visible on the London Underground map. The next update will then happen in December of 2018, where the line will be connected between Liverpool Street and Paddington, and services to Abbey Wood will commence. In 1 year's time, May 2019, the whole TfL rail franchise will then be rebranded as the Elizabeth line, with the new Reading branch fully opened in December 2019. While I was unable to attend the first route myself due to other commitments, I did have someone who was willing to record the first 5 AM train for me. This was class 345, where the interior had been fully remade to match the TfL branding, with the new roof maps and logos also being added. This was done in the same way as the class 315s on the Liverpool Street to Shenfield line, where signalling and routing was already set up for the old train on the line, and with the new system being temporary for the class 345s still in testing, it would have been more cost effective to keep the current trains on the line. The route itself follows the Great Western Main Line from Paddington all the way to Hayes and Harlington Station, where it then takes the flyover and into the tunnels of Heathrow Airport. This, however, led to a dispute where the tunnel itself is owned by Heathrow Airport, and with the new TfL rail service running as a direct and cheaper competitor to the airport-owned Heathrow Express, the management at the airport wanted to charge extraordinary rates per train that uses the tunnel. The UK and EU courts, however, dismissed this claim, meaning TfL will now only have to pay for the use of the tunnels with a standard monthly fee, much to the disappointment of the airport management. The train will then stop at both Heathrow stations, Terminals 2 and 3, and Heathrow Terminal 4, before making the return journey back to Paddington, and that brings to the end of our TfL rail experience.